Hi guys, hello everyone. I am Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the best offer you can get in this Xmas. So the bundle up for Christmas is released by Dawood Islam, and inside this tool you will be given total 55 front-end product and 11 upsells previously launched by him. So let me show you what are the stuffs you will be given inside it. Basically these are the stuffs. You can check out the name of the stuffs, but I am showing you firstly the members area. So inside this members area you can see here normal video for welcome, normal overview video is also given. This is the overview video. Next thing is the his previously launched product in 2021. You can see here all of the products name. So mail our list is previous product, and depending on this product I will strongly recommend you, if you are working on make money online niche, if you want to get traffic, then you should tap into this product. Otherwise do not tap into this product. And inside my products, his previously launched product Mekha Mula, Meerkat Money, Monkey Mailers, Lion Listings, Leopard Listings, Jaguar Jackpots. So many, actually all of the products he launched previously, these products are given inside only 12 bucks and 95 cents, or you can say it as $13. So his upsells, all of the upsells, in total 11 upsells will be given to you. These are the upsells. And next thing is the top marketers products. So many top marketers product will be given to you also inside this tool. And inside resources, free squeeze pages, recommended resources, I don't know what is the recommended. Let me show you the top recommended $3 trial and conclusion and more bonuses and upgrades. So this is not a product but a pack of products. So you can think of you are getting a pack of products inside just $13. This product individually, each of the product cost more than $13 or maybe $13. Some of the products are $9, and approximately most of them are more than $13. So that is a good thing. You are getting all of the products inside $13, and 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available for this product. And also if you just got any of the upsells, also you will be given 400 plus stuffs, okay, with the front end if you just got any of the upsells. So these are the front end bonuses. Now you're watching on the screen, these all bonuses will be given to you with the front end. There are some vendor bonuses, so let me show you once again. So these are the vendor bonuses, and for the upsell I will give you 400 plus stuffs automatically will be given to you. So you can click any of the buttons on this page to just visit this sales page. This is the sales page and get the tool. You can check out also from the sales page what are the products, and most of the products are given here, the box. Okay, so that's me. I am Chayan. Now I am signing out for this product. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.